Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad Sangma emphasized the success of the CM Connect program in addressing public concerns directly and efficiently. Speaking at the CM Connect event in Nongstoin, West Khasi Hills, he highlighted the initiative's participatory approach, allowing citizens to raise grievances and other suggestions via online, offline and IVRS platforms integrated with social media like WhatsApp. Launched in February, the program aims to ensure responsive and inclusive governance. Helpline numbers 1971 and others are available for public use. Addressing local demands, Conrad Sangma announced a ₹10 crore allocation for an artificial turf playground in Mauthungper village and urged upon communities to collaborate on land-related development projects. He also committed to raising self-help group loan interest subsidies with Union Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman. In addition, the Chief Minister revealed plans for the Mau-Nongri Road with sanctions expected within 3 months, calling it a vital step for boosting international trade in the region. The event saw attendance from Nongstoin MLA Gabriel Walang, Maushan Road MLA Methodius Dakar and Ramrai Jarangam MLA RG Momin.
I'd like to inform all of you that from Nongstoin to Mau-Et, the road is, obviously the work is going on right now. But we have decided to continue the road and we will be very soon sanctioning the additional connectivity from Mau-Et to Nongri. This is part of our plan. This is going to be implemented very, very soon. We will be sanctioning this maybe in about a month or 2 months' time. Tendering will take place. I hope that by March or April we will actually see the construction work, or at least by next year the construction work for Mau-Et to Nongri will happen. So I want to give assurance to you and to our honorable MLAs concerned that this is a priority road for us and we know the economic viability and importance of this road. The Shalang to Maheshkula road has been a road which honorable MLA has been pressing on. We are exploring the possibility of taking up the Shalang to Maheshkula Road under the MITP2, which is a World Bank project, but that list has not been finalized yet. So I will not go ahead and announce it right now, but we are still working on it. And I will do my best to ensure that that particular road also is included. But only once we finalize will I announce it. But I can very confidently announce the Mau-Et to Nongri road. It is already in our list, and as I said, the sanction will come in about a month or 2 months' time.
Thank you very much.